Hi guys! OMG, I've been eyeing this pendant plush doll for quite some time now. And last week I decided to check it out on Shopee, and here it is. I really like how they look on pictures, and I watched a couple of videos of YouTube shorts. I really like how they look. They're also fierce because of their eyes. They do not have the big eyes like Skull Panda here. I think they have more fiercer, more matured eyes, and that's what I love about them. And I love Alice in Wonderland, and this is giving me Alice in Wonderland vibes. So this is the contract of cards. I think this is a Chinese maker. The brand is ZFAZ. Okay, I cannot understand it here. ZFAZ. It is Iris, the card packed series plush blind box. It's kind of light compared to Skull Panda, but who cares? Anyway, I really like the box. It's glittery. It's sparkly. Oh I can't wait to open it. And I really want this one. Reminds me of Cruella de Vil. This one also, the black. I also like the red. And of course, the secret. So, let's open it.